Hey, what's up guys? Ding from Dingsworkshop here. Recently, Banggood.com sent me 2 of these square clamps for me to try them out. So today I want to talk about how I feel about this tool and whether or not I think they're worth buying. Let's check it out. The tool was shipped out from China and took only 13 days to arrive at my house, which is in Seattle. The components of the tool are very well packaged and protected inside this box. Inside the package, there are 2 washers, 2 knobs, 2 L rods, 2 holder pieces, and 1 square. The one you are seeing right here is the 140mm by 140mm, which is slightly over 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches over here. On one side of the square you have inches, and the other side of the square you have millimeters. So in terms of pricing, the ones I have right here are the 140mm variants, and these are currently retailing for $31. Now if you go to Banggood.com, there are also other sizes of this tool to pick from, and depending on the size of the tool you pick, the price could vary from $25 to about $31. This tool is pretty easy to use. First, let's take a piece of material and then just put it against the edge over here, and then take one of the holding pieces, push it through the hole, and then just tighten the knob. Like so. And then we'll take another piece, put it against the tool like so, and then do the same thing with the holding piece. There you have it. You can also use the tool to tighten the inside like so. See? Very easy. And in terms of maximum clamping width, we're looking at about 2 1/8 of an inch. Now anything wider than 2 1/8 of an inch, I'm afraid the tool won't be able to handle. So guys, overall, I think this tool is awesome. It's gonna help you and provide you that perfect square reference that you need for any of your projects. And also, the build quality is top-notch. And frankly, for $25 to $31, depending on the size you pick, this tool is a great value. Hey, thank you for watching this episode of my tools review. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm Ding from Dingsworkshop. See you next time.